So when you apply position absolute to an element with different position property values like top, left, bottom, or right like this, there are 5 things will happen. First thing is, the element will look for the closest parent element, which is positioned relative, absolute, fixed, or sticky, and move itself to top, left, bottom, or right based on the position property we provided. Second thing is, when you apply position absolute to an element, it will create a new stacking context. This means it creates a new view layer on top of the current document flow. The stacking context looks like this. So this is the current document flow, and this is the new view layer. Third thing is, the element will be placed inside the new stacking context, or in the new view layer. The element's new position is relative to the top, left, bottom, or right edge of its parent element, which is positioned relative, absolute, fixed, or sticky. And the distance from the top, left, bottom, or right is equal to the value we provided on different position properties such as top, left, bottom, or right. Fourth thing is, the element will be removed from the current document flow and other elements will take its place. And finally, if the element could not find the closest parent, which is positioned relative, absolute, fixed, or sticky, the element's new position will be directly relative to the viewport.